Hello, everybody. I welcome you to the School Leads platform. Before moving on, let us look at a few very important details. We do not charge anything per student. We give unlimited students, staff, and cloud storage for all subscription plans. And our price never changes for existing users. For more details, you can please check out the contact information in the description and you can directly reach out to us. Let's get started. Hello, everybody. In this video, let us take a look at how the teachers can enter all of the exam marks of the students on the teachers portal and how can the principal also view it. So for this, the first thing that we need to do is to come to the principal or the controller's portal and go to the option of examination setup and the and go to the options of the examination setup and the exam controller feature. Over here, we need to ensure that the controller has allowed the exam checking from a certain date. So let us select +2 commerce and the date should be selected over here and we are done. We just need to submit it and all of our details are saved successfully. After this, all we need to do is that we need to log in to our teachers portal with our details and click on the check exams option. Over here, you will be getting all of these details. We just need to select the exact class, the examination term, and you can see all of the subjects of this class right over here. We need to select all the subjects one by one, and here you can see all of the details of the students. You can see all of the details like subject, exam type or assessment type, and you can start entering all of the details including how much has the child obtained, how much grace marks have been given. For notebook, the maximum is 10, for attendance, the maximum is 5, and for behavior also, the maximum is 5. Simultaneously, you can fill in the details for all of the students as you can see, and you can save the changes. All of it is done, you just click on OK, and here you can see that an entry has been made for +2 commerce finance subject and all of the details are here. You can click on the view button to see the marks of all the students, how many have failed or what is their grade or what percentage have they obtained. Next up, you can fill in the details as I have did. Next up, you need to follow the same steps and select the different subjects and enter all of the marks of the student. It gives you all of the information. For example, here, since we have not entered any details, you can see remaining is 2. But as soon as we enter the marks of one student, it shows remaining 1. Perfect. Now we are going to enter this marks as well and we'll save the changes. We can always click on any of these marks and we will be able to see. Now let us see how can the principal view it from his dashboard. We are now at the principal's dashboard and they can see all of the entries of the different subjects in a particular class and a particular term. All they need to do is scroll to the right where they will be getting their action buttons and they can choose to edit any of these details directly. For example, we are changing the marks of Ganesh from 78 to 45 and we'll save the changes and it is saved. Now when we view the same marks, we can see that Ganesh has failed in this exam because he has obtained 45 when in this exam the passing marks is 50. It was as simple as that. I really hope that this video could have helped you and you could have gained a lot of information and insight about how you can use the School Leads platform. If you like this video, then make sure to like, share and comment on it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will be coming up with a lot of new informative content for you guys. Stay tuned. Thank you.